In the middle of June, I took a trip from SF to LA to visit Josh, and then we did a little road trip back up along the coast of California. This is how it went. Such a romantic man.
It's our 3 and 5 months.
True. Heaven. So cheap.
For 8.
The main event. Oh yeah. So beautiful. This is one of my favorite foods. And they're so hard to find in SF. Ready to eat?
Ready to eat. I learned how to do this.
Yeah. Who taught you?
Where's the soup?
Uh-oh. Mine
You
is
have soup?
soupy. So good.
Somehow. Aren't you proud I learned how to eat these properly? I don't want any rice. Right?
Oh my gosh, don't hurt her. What's wrong with you?
Give me all your money.
We're saving her.
Give me all your money.
Are they in San Francisco?
Maybe, yeah, I'll see you around 7:30 then, hopefully.
Yeah.
드릴까요? 그냥 밥은 흰밥 잡고가 어떤 건지.
Sonongdan was so good. It's honestly pretty similar to Daeho in the Bay, but a bit cheaper, so not gonna complain about that. And then after, we met up with Josh's friends to go out at night. Yes, sir. Oh my god, I was like right in front of me. So, we're waiting for a pocha, and there just happens to be oakobing around the corner. Meant to be. Already had the milk. Happy. Oh, I need it?
Good?
So good.
Can we get French fries or like some kind of
Because I was straight. Like my team did no coding.
Really, everyone in our generation is a snowflake. Okay, not everyone. Some like we're living such cushy lives.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do a cute squiggly. Listen to this crunch.
That was good. That was pretty good.
Let's go over our plans today. Oh, we're gonna rent a car. We have to Uber to the car rental. And then we're taking a 2-day road trip from LA to SF. And then we're gonna stop in Solvang and Santa Barbara and Pismo Beach and Slow. And then we're gonna stay overnight. And then tomorrow we do Big Sur and like Carmel, Monterey.
She's been talking about Big Sur for years.
Because this is my background on my, like, the screensaver for Apple. Yeah, that version of macOS was really bad. free veggies.
My mind is like,
I'm giving him a history lesson on the Kardashians.
do you think they got famous because their dad was OJ's lawyer? Or do you think that has anything to do with it?
You just dig in, I guess. Hand for scale. Crazy.
Oh, it's two different meats.
The meat is so tender.
Wow.
That is a juicy tomato.
Genuinely never thought I'd enjoy a tomato like that.
Josh likes veggies now.
Tomatoes are the bane of my existence.
Gotta get everything in one bite. We're starting our road trip. It's currently 3 hours to get to our first destination.
It's a little far.
Even if we don't take the scenic route.
Yeah.
So we'll get to Solvang at
6:10. Oh my
p.m.
god. Honestly, there's probably nothing much to do in Pismo Beach either. I just wanted to show her the dunes.
If we go tomorrow, we can get the cinnamon rolls.
Oh, let's do it. Oh, I guess we're going
In 1,000. I'm ready for a beautiful drive. Joshua brought We're Not Really Strangers because he wants to cry. And we're gonna play right now. I definitely don't think that. I've been wanting to do a road trip along the coast of California for a while now. It's been almost 2 years since I moved to SF, and I still haven't seen as much of California as I'd like.
She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see.
Hello!
We're in Solvang.
We are in Solvang. We don't really know what to do, but that's our bad because we didn't do any research.
And we also don't have as much time, but that's our bad because we ate a really lunch.
Yeah, and also usually when we travel we just eat, but we're not
It's also
hungry.
our bad.
But look, it actually looks a little
It looks very nice.
European.
I feel like we're not doing it justice.
Honestly, the weather on this first day wasn't great, so we didn't make too many stops, but just being able to spend time in the car with Josh was nice. We've been defeated by poor weather today. And we tried to go to the sand dunes, but they're closed, so. The road trip will resume tomorrow. Well, since we're in the burbs, I'm getting my first crumble cookies. Got that one. Cheers. That's so good.
That's really good.
Honey. Honey's always a hit.
Yeah.
You want coffee? Yeah.
Original hot cinnamon roll. Oh baby.
That looks so good.
Get in there.
That cream cheese frosting.
Oh yeah.
You can put the plate.
Out on the beach too.
Ooh, it's still warm. Now we have a 3-hour drive to the waterfall. Hi, Ketta. We made it up. We are about to commence the 17-mile drive.
And then we go down to Big Sur.
Yes, and Josh has never heard of the 17-mile drive, which is shocking
have
considering
not.
he's from California.
I don't know. Maybe I lived in a little cave.
Come down. Caught up in a long freight.
The 17-mile drive is exactly what it sounds like. It's a 17-mile stretch along Pebble Beach between Monterey and Carmel. There is a small fee for car entry, but you get amazing views of beaches, cliffs, mansions, and the famous Pebble Beach golf course.
Wait to get, I want you in my life. Feel my height when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
That is disgusting. Josh was playing with his toys.
Ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same.
There's so many of them.
I won't never let this go. Wait until
Sadly,
the
we've been told that
final.
the waterfall is closed. No way to get there.
But it looks so good.
You can only see it from this distance, but it's so beautiful.
You could always take a shortcut down there. Like just.
Josh wants to jump down.
You can see the path. This might be the most beautiful waterfall I've seen.
I know, me too.
Other than Niagara. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful, very nice day. We didn't plan anything.
But it ended up
We
being
should
really good.
have, but this is very white sand.
We are at Carmel. Carmel.
He keeps calling it caramel by the sea.
It should be caramel by the sea.
Where's the caramel?
It should be.
But why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to main appeal in my dreams?
And we're going to see Bali.
Yo, it's kind of cold in SF. Alright, should we run?
Ow.
But then
That's
we
worse
won't
than
be as
being cold. I'd rather be cold than have to run. Never mind.
We run.
Ow, okay, ow.
I give them back, our hands are touch. Let's go San Francisco. No need to rush.
We had a couple of hours on Sunday before we had to return the rental car, so we took a little morning trip to Sausalito. That's quite cute, quite quaint. What did I eat yesterday? A bag of chips and a cinnamon roll.
But a lot of the bag of chips. It was like a family style.
Call me out.
Right? It is really good.
They got sweet potato in the potato medley.
They already buttered it up for us.
Josh is scared of ketchup.
I am not scared of ketchup.
Yes, you
It just
are.
doesn't taste good.
Well, you're scared.
Good?
Someone, and though you've been in your time,
Which ones would I choose?
Choose?
Yeah.
Me.
No.
That.
I like those, but no.
Which ones are these?
Leave these.
These? You don't have those already?
And though you might think that you're fine,
He said, "Can you take a video of me walking for the vlog?" The sun's finally out. It's chilling here. We got this card. Turns out they have cold chocolate too.
Really? It's not like.
It's better than the hot. Did you?